So today, kakain tayo ng food from the sandwich guy. First time namin mag-order dito. So, tignan natin. Ito yung mga in-order namin. Grilled cheese sandwich, classic roast beef, at saka creamy carbonara.
There is no humanitarian supply. For a organization, Medical Aid Palestine, and the US-based International Rescue Committee
Ganito yung shape.
investigation said a £1,000 bomb was dropped on a compound housing British 3 healthcare centres and 150 damaged and 100 ambulances. Palestinian health nurses and other hospitals.
Ito yung richest grilled sandwich.
It's an absolute disaster. Like everything should be protected.
Sobrang,
Should be able to feel safe.
ang pinaka-nalalasahan ko,
You should be able to feel safe there.
cheese
and
whiz.
it's just not the case.
Displaced Palestinians
Pero ako,
made a long journey
cheese whiz, tapos, I think meron siyang mozzarella, pero hindi ako sure.
Families
Uprooted and constantly on the move.
Tignan mo yung
Imam
cheese
Nadim
niya ang
and her
kapal.
family have survived Israeli airstrike. This camp on the Egyptian border is moved to the furthest point.
Tapos, ito naman yung classic roast beef.
While some 8 postal
kapal
devastations
niya.
here say they have no supplies.
Boy, yung...
It's now a battleground.
and forced us out. They took our money, mobile phones, and
Meron siyang extra coleslaw.
He says indirect negotiations will take place in the coming days.
We cannot predict
Dungo siya.
is it going to have a breakthrough.
Near a ship,
Harap.
several drone sites.
The money will be paid out.
Man madali.
Discussed each year and then it will be under review every 2 years. It is a win for EU.
Beefy.
Back in December they had a summit then and they were hoping to sign off on that financial
Tignan nyo.
Russia.
Yan. Makikita mo talaga yung beef niya sa loob. Yung classic roast beef. Tapos may coleslaw.
This year,
On the war in Ukraine, hundreds of farmers demonstrated outside Europe. Down fires and
Tapos, bumili din kami ng creamy carbonara ng sandwich guy. Yung itsura. Haluin natin. So, base sa nakikita ko, mukha lang siyang gawa na, tapos ininit lang. Ayan o, kasi medyo, ayan o, sige yan yung gilid-gilid, medyo ano, ito mo yarn, ang kanilang creamy carbonara.
demonstrators outside the UN on the anniversary.
Medyo salty.
Extended army is facing
Maharap
tough resistance from
siya.
rebel fighters. An alliance of ethnic armies
Creamy.
launched an offensive
Makikita nyo
against
naman yung
them 4
pagiging
months ago.
creamy niya.
Cheng reported
trade routes and border crossing. Know more about their forces, and also we have better communication between our own soldiers.
While many of the official border posts
Creamy,
remain
diba?
closed or controlled, personnel move freely
Ano
check
yan ng
jungle
mga
crossings.
hiwa. Pero pili ko yan lang.
In the last
Or
12
baka hindi ko
months,
lang madurog.
Thailand, China, strategic border positions have fallen to ethnic armies. Now, has shown no indication.
So guys, kung ita-try nyo yung The Sandwich Guy, meron nito sa SM Dasmariñas. So, try nyo na. O kaya, i-try nyo sa pinagbilan namin. Order na kayo sa Food Panda. At kung wala pa kayong account, wait lang. So guys, kung ayaw nyo sa Dasma, order na lang kayo sa Food Panda dito sa RCBC Plaza, The Sandwich Guy. At kung wala pa kayong Food Panda, mag-iiwan kami ng link sa comments. Pinutin nyo lang yun, tapos mag-sign up kayo. Tapos mag-order kayo. Tapos, kapag kinlink nyo pala yung link doon, magkakaroon kayo ng 400 voucher. 100 sa food delivery, 200 sa shop voucher, tapos 100 sa Panda Mart. Kaya, mag-sign up na kayo, umorder kayo dito sa The Sandwich Guy. Ang sarap ng tinapay nila. And, kung bibigyan ko ng rating yung carbonara nila, 8.5 yung carbonara nila. Pero must try niya talaga yung kanilang mga sandwich. Kaya nga sandwich guys, so dun sila magaling sa sandwich. Mag-order ka na. Sign na to. Link sa comment. Food Panda. AA.